everyone, my name is Rubab Zehra, lecturer in English at Kausar College for Women, H82 Islamabad. In this video, I am going to tell you another parts of speech, that is what you call verb. You know very well that this is one of the most important thing in a sentence, because without it the meaning cannot be conveyed. Verb, as you know, is an action or a work done by the subject. Now comes the real topic, that is the types of verb. Now first type of verb is transitive verb. I'll tell you a tip, my dear students. Always go for a comparative studies. Like for example, if the first type is transitive verb and the second type is intransitive verb. Now there is a difference between the two, obviously, but the difference is a very little difference. Like in transitive verbs are the verbs that needs objects to convey the complete meaning. In contrast, intransitive verb is a word that doesn't need any object to convey a complete idea. Now comes the example for the first type, that is transitive verb. For example, he wrote a letter. Now it's very simple to analyze. For example, he is a subject, wrote is a verb, letter is an object. So according to the definition, if a sentence contains an object, this is obviously called transitive verb. Another example, they sell books. Now the action here, that is sell, is enhanced by this object to give the complete meaning. Second type is intransitive verb. As I told you earlier, it doesn't need any object to convey a complete meaning. For example, the sun rises. It's not important that it rises from the east, we know it very well. Still, it gives you a complete idea that the sun rises and it's a natural phenomenon. Same goes for birds fly, etc. Third type is helping or auxiliary verb. Now helping verb, it helps the main verb, as the name tells you. And it conveys the full meaning. It also tells you about the tense of that sentence. For example, in the first example, she is working now. I am teaching you now. Now basically is, and in the next sentence has, he has done his work. Both these are helping verb and they are helping the main verb. And the main verb in the first example is working, and the helping verb is she. Okay, now another is the particular contrast to helping verb, that is what you call the fourth type, linking verb. Linking verb, my dear students, is a name which basically links the subject to the predicate. You know, subject is the doer, the one who does an action, and predicate is the part of a sentence other than the subject. Okay. It only links the subject to the predicate. But remember, there is an addition. What? That verbs like seem, hear, look, they are also called as linking verbs. Why? Because they are not the active verbs. That's why. For example, he is a good boy. She is a nice girl. So here, is will be called a linking verb. Remember one thing. Yes, is in linking verb, is in helping verb are the same, but the usage is entirely different, because in the first, that is helping verb, is helping the main verb, that is working. But here there is no main verb. It's only and only a statement in which subject is linked to the predicate, that is he is a good boy. And the second example is she seems tired today. As I told you, that these are also called as linking verbs. Last but not the least is modal verbs. They are also known as modals. It shows possibility, probability, permission, courage, and necessity, etc. to convey its complete or full meaning. For example, I can do it. And I guarantee, if you practice, you can also do it. Because this is what my favorite slogan, believe or comment on my students' tests, improve it. And you can. Because this is what my belief is. Can shows ability. And a person who is a human being, the crown of creation. He can do anything if he wants to do. I can do it. So can is a modal verb. Now second is, she may not attend the party. So basically this shows may and might both probability, that either this thing is going to happen or not. Third and last is may. It's in other usage with the same word may. May I come in? May I leave the class? Etc. So this is it for all the types of verb. As you know, these videos are brief introduction with a little examples. Inshallah, with more practice, we will do some other videos. Till then, take care of yourself, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Rubab. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.